Hey everybody, Life is the Ride here. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. You guys all know that I'm a fan of Disney, but you probably didn't know I'm a fan of Tiki. I'm here in my office, and as you can see, I have quite a collection of Tiki mugs and Tiki menus. And luckily, my interest in Tiki overlaps quite a bit with my interest in Disney. And today I'm going to show you one example. So we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do a box opening of one of the Tiki mugs that I just got from Disney. This is a Club 33 edition Tiki mug by one of my favorite artists, Van Tiki. Van Tiki is also a creator on YouTube. He has a channel, and in one of his videos, he actually goes through how he designed this particular Tiki mug. So if you're interested, go check that out. But yeah, I ordered this on eBay. I'm not a Club 33 member, so it came with a bag. It kind of hints at what's inside. This is the Matterhorn Bigfoot Tiki mug that was available at Club 33 about a year ago. Like I said, I'm not a Club 33 member, so I didn't get a chance to buy it at the time. But I did find it on eBay. And so I took the opportunity to get it. So let's get down to opening it up and see what's inside. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Now this Tiki mug was made to represent a Bigfoot imprint, and if you remember, on the entrance of Matterhorn and on the side there is an impression like this on display. So the artist Van Tiki used that as inspiration to make this Tiki mug. It is technically a Tiki mug. It does hold a liquid, even though I wouldn't want to drink out of that. For me, it's just going to be for show. But here you see on the bottom, there's an inscription for Club 33. And there's his signature. Okay, now if you flip this Tiki mug over, there is a surprise, the abominable snowman from the Matterhorn bobsled ride. So these holes here are meant for you to hang it on the wall if you want, which I may do. It's a little bit heavy. I would be worried about it falling and breaking, but there's also these handholds on the side. The idea being if you do fill this up with liquid, you want something to hold on to. But yeah, there it is, guys. Exclusive Club 33 Matterhorn Tiki mug by my favorite Tiki themed artist, or one of them, Van Tiki. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for joining me on this little bit different journey as we unbox this Tiki mug from Club 33. I'm going to have a bit of a challenge fitting it on my Tiki mug shelf, which is already pretty full, but I'll give it a shot. So once again, thanks for joining me. If you like the vibe, make sure to subscribe, because life is the ride.